everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. So for today's video, I have a Michaels grab bag or grab box unboxing and a few things. One, the price has gone up, so it's no longer a $4 grab box. It's $5, which is cool. I expected that. They used to actually have $3 options back in the day, then it went to $4, now $5, and honestly, I'm not mad at it because they usually include a lot of things that are totally worth it. I do have 3 boxes, so I spent 15 bucks. And if you don't know about Michaels grab bags or grab boxes, these are done at the end of every major season or holiday. They don't come out immediately, so you kind of have to watch out for them. But all of the clearance stuff that didn't sell, they pack them in these boxes or bags and they sell them to you for 5 bucks. $4 before, and for bigger items sometimes they just sell a single item for the amount of the grab bag. I may or may not be making this video in my pajamas and tried to hide it by putting a jacket on. So let's get into the unboxing. I'm going to start with this one right here because it seems to be the lightest, so let's go ahead and get started. We all know that the value of the box is always going to be way beyond 5 bucks, but I will tally up the value of all 3 boxes in the end. I don't think these are returnable. I don't know why anybody would want to. So here is the first box, and I treat this like a mystery unboxing, so I'll try not to look in. But this one's hard not to look into. This is the lightest one, and I can already tell it is just a bunch of floral, which I'm not mad at. I use floral a whole lot. Oh my gosh, look at these. These are wonderful. These are $10 each. I'm pretty sure that if I were to buy these on my own at Michaels, I would not pay full price. I would always use a coupon. But one thing about Michaels, if you've noticed, is that their coupons have started to like diminish in value. So before they had a 50% off day, I don't think they've had that in a while. So I have a lot more of these and I really love them. So $9.99 each, and we'll count them at the end. I also have these. These are $12.99. That's expensive for this little thing. And they just included a ton of these. Oh my gosh, these are gonna look great for a fall or Christmas bouquet. They do have another one. This is $4.99, and the ticket doesn't look like it's from Michaels. It's called Simple Berry Collection. I'm sure it is, but there is a big chance. No, it does say Michaels. I was going to say there's a big chance that this could be from AC Moore, because I know that some of the stuff from AC Moore is being sold at Michaels, or they took over, something like that. This is another different little stem. This is $13.99. How is this $13.99? I'm not complaining because this is all going to be put to use in arrangements. And then the rest of the box is just more of these really cool berries. So I will tally that up, and let's move on to the next box because we're not going to make this video unnecessarily long. Time for this one. Just going to flip it open, and this one has a lot more random stuff. Let me move this out of the way. Oh, it's heavy. So this is what this looks like. And let's go ahead and get started. So biggest item here is this Unity candle set. This retails for, I don't know, but I'll put it on the screen if I can find it. By the way, I'm not expecting Christmas stuff because when I went into the store, they still had Christmas stuff on display for clearance. So this is 49 cents. This is clearance Valentine stuff, which is funny that they would put this out now that their current Valentine stuff is out. A ton of these lights. That's really cool. These are, and I do have quite a few. I also have clear mini bulb lights. These were on clearance, so $6.97. So these boxes are definitely all the stuff that was on regular clearance, not seasonal. More of these, more of these. Valentine's Day glitter glue, which of course you can use any season. This is valued at $4.99. Then they have a ton of like stationery stuff, like paper clips and magnet bookmarks. Do great things. If you've seen these videos, I usually do them a little different, but I just don't think that y'all want to sit through each and every one of these items. So these are all these stationery kits. These are $5.99. These are $5.99 as well. All right, so for wedding stuff, we have a ring bearer pillow. This was $11.99 on clearance. So maybe as a prop for like a wedding video, if I ever get back into doing those. This is another one, which was $7.99, and I can see why, because the pattern is very specific. But like for resellers, this would be really cool. I have more stationery stuff. This one's $2.77, and it's a planner. If you know me, you know I love leopards, so this is really nice. I have a spooky ghost $2 cookie cutter, and that's it. The rest of the stuff in the box is honestly like little trinkets that I don't even think is worth like showing, because it's really stuff that I don't even, it's not even packaged properly, which is the first time that I've ever gotten that. So time for box number 3, the heaviest box. And I chose this one because I can already tell there's like a cupcake thing. So yes, let's go ahead and open this one. Okay, so right off the bat is my wonderful cupcake tower. And this was originally $34 on clearance for $17.97. So right there, just with this, I make up for these 3 boxes, and this is definitely something that I'm going to get use out of. So out of all of the boxes, I think this one so far is my favorite, even though I really do love the floral box. Just kidding, look at this. So on this one is a little light up Heidi Swap marquee thing. By the way, Dollar Tree was temporarily selling stuff like this. This one definitely has much bigger items. There is a jewelry making kit, so earring kit. This one is the best box. This is a happy memory keepsake thing. It was originally $42 and on clearance it was $14.97. So this is pretty sweet. There's 2 of these. Oh. So those are the 3 boxes. Like I said, one of them just has like a bunch of little like junky trinkets, which I'm not gonna make you sit through because it's stuff that's not even packaged correctly. You can tell it was broken. I'm not gonna do that to you or to myself, but I do enjoy what was in it. There's so many useful things that I can use for videos, that I can donate, that I can gift, or just craft with. So I'll put the total value of the box up here. Remember, I spent 15 bucks. And if you're interested in trying these boxes out, always be on the lookout at the end of every season. Call your Michaels. Some of them are really helpful, some are not, and they won't tell you when they're there, but they do go quickly now that the boxes are a lot more popular and more people know about them. There are accounts on Instagram that kind of let you know when they're coming soon, so you can always follow the Michaels hashtag. And as usual, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you so much. Sorry that this video was rushed, but yeah. I appreciate you so much, and I will hopefully see you on the next one.